Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Annie Portia working as Assistant Professor in Arunachala College of Engineering for Women. In this presentation, we are going to see the topic data types from the subject EASY 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C. Data types. All C compilers support a variety of data types. Data type determines the possible values that an identifier can have. Identifier in the sense variables, arrays, functions, strings, etc. and the valid operations that can be applied on it. The data types can be broadly classified into four types. They are basic data types, derived data types, user-defined data types and void data types. Basic data types, they are referred as primitive or fundamental data types. The basic data types can be classified into three. They are integer data types, character data types, float and double data types. Integer data type. Integer data types is of short integer and long integer. The short signed integer requires half the space in memory than the long one. It has the following qualities. It occupies 2 bytes in memory. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Since it occupies 2 bytes, 2 into 8 that is equal to 16 bits. Therefore, 2 power 16 divided by 2 will give this range. The format specifier is %d or %i. Example, int a equal to 2 or short int b equal to 2. The short unsigned integer has the following qualities. It occupies 2 bytes in memory. Adding the range of short signed integer will give this range. The format specifier is %u for unsigned integer. Example, unsigned short int b. The long signed integer has the following qualities. It occupies 4 bytes in memory. Since it occupies 4 bytes, 4 into 8 that is equal to 32 bits. So therefore, 2 power 32 divided by 2 gives this range for long signed integer. The format specifier is %ld. Example, long int c. The long unsigned integer has the following qualities. It occupies 4 bytes in memory. By adding the range of long signed integer, we will get this range. The format specifier is %lu for long unsigned integer. Example, unsigned long int c. Next is character data types. Character data types is of signed and unsigned character. So when printed using %d, the control string corresponding to the ASCII numbers is printed. The signed character data type has the following qualities. The character data type occupies 1 byte in memory. Since it occupies 1 byte, 1 into 8 that is equal to 8 bits. So 2 power 8 divided by 2 equal to 128. Therefore, it ranges from -128 to 127. The format specifier is %c. Example, character ch is equal to b. The unsigned character has the following qualities. It occupies 1 byte in memory. By adding the range of signed character, we will get this range. The format specifier is %c. Example, unsigned character c is equal to b. Float and double data types. The float data type has the following qualities. It occupies 4 bytes in memory. It ranges from 3.4e minus 38 to 3.4e plus 38. So e denotes the exponential part. The format specifier is %f. Example, float y. The double float data type has the following qualities. It occupies 8 bytes in memory. It ranges from 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308, where 1.7 denotes the Mandisa part. The format specifier is %lf. Example, long double y. And the next is user defined data types. So C language provides flexibility to the user to create new data types, and they are referred as user defined data types. So we have three user defined data types. They are structure, union and enumeration. Structure, it is a collection of variables and can be of different data types. They are grouped under a single name. The keyword used to denote the structure is struct. Union, union is also a collection of variables of different data types and they are grouped under a single name. The keyword used to denote the union is union. Enumeration, enumeration is used to assign names to integral constant, which makes a program easy to read and maintain. The keyword enum is used to declare an enumeration. And the next is derived data types. Derived data types are derived from the basic data types and they are classified into function, pointer and array. Function is a block of code or a set of statements that performs the specific task. Pointer, pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable. Array, array is a group of similar data items grouped under a single name. And the next is size of function in C language. The size of function is used to find the memory space allocated for each data types. A program to denote the size of function. Hash includes standard input output.h. It is a header file for input output functions. Int main of. So the main program returns a value, that's why it is denoted as int. So here variable A is declared in integer data type and the variable B is denoted in character data type and variable C is declared in float data type and variable D is declared in double data type. Printf, storage size for int data type. So here the size of function calculate the variable size of the variable A. Here A is of integer data type and integer occupies 2 bytes in memory, so size of A is 2. Similarly, in the next line, the size of B. The B variable is of character data type, so the size of B is 1 and the size of C is 4 since float occupies 4 bytes in memory and the size of D is 8 since double occupies 8 bytes in memory. So this is the output for the above program. Last one is void data types. So void is a keyword or an empty data type that has no value, it does not return any value. This can be used in functions and pointers. Thank you.